Welcome to our session today. Today we're going to be looking at how to import contacts into vorText from an Excel spreadsheet. So first you're going to go to the contacts area here and click on this little upload icon here. Next you're going to choose the spreadsheet, and just as a quick reminder right here, we've got a little example of how that spreadsheet can look. Cell phone, first name, last name, email, tags, address, city, state, zip, etc. You can have as many or as few columns in your spreadsheet as you require. And right here, if you click on this button, you can download this example spreadsheet just so you can have an example of one. All right, so what I'm going to do is click choose file here, and I'm going to choose a spreadsheet that I've got prepared. It only has a couple of contacts in there, but that's all we need for the example. Click on that and then click on the upload button here. And as you can see here, we've got all of the column headers from the Excel sheet. So they are mapped to columns on our contact table. Now, if you use a column header that matches one of our contact field names, then it's going to automatically come up mapped like this is. But if it is not, like so for example, if you just put mobile phone here, this would have come up saying skip column like that. So if you ever see a skip column and you actually want that to be mapped to something, just drop down this list and choose the field that you want that to be mapped to. In this case, we've got, phone, cell phone, other phone, work phone, etc. So we'll leave that mapped. And as you can see here, we've got company mapped to company, email mapped to email address, etc., etc. The next option here is to add a tag, and this is optional. You don't have to do this. If you do this, then it's going to tag every single contact that you upload with whatever tag you put here. This batch ID is just for a reference. You really don't need to modify that or change it in any way. And then all you have to do is click import here. And because it's only 2 records, it happens very quickly. If there were 1,000 or 2,000, it would just take its time. It would give you some notifications on the screen and let you know when it's done. And then if you click back on contacts over here, you see here are the 2 records that we just uploaded, and that's all you need to do to upload accounts or contacts into the system.